Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 65 GTO, 389 power under the hood, hooked up to a 4-speed, and she is beautiful. Take a look. That red paint as slick as can be. Bodyman did a great job on this car. As you can see, it looks like all the chrome's brand new. The chrome on the bumper, the surrounds on the headlights, the grill's in beautiful shape. Even that Pontiac emblem looks like it's brand new. As you look down the side of the car, you can see the stance is looking sweet. You can see those Cragars wrapped with those BFGs looking beautiful. Just a gorgeous car right here. All the stainless looking good. Vinyl tops looking beautiful. Check out the interior here. That door panel's looking sweet. Door jambs are all nicely finished. See how nice and clean it is up in there. You can see all the upholstery, the center console, the Hurst 4-speed shifter. We got seat belts up front. Upholstery in the back seats looking sweet. Headliner looks good. Dome lights working. Dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. All the wood grains looking good. She's a beauty inside and out. Somebody spent a lot of time and money on this car, baby. Definitely a professional restoration job. As you look down that big old long quarter panel, a lot of hours went into that baby. You can see all those reflections are looking sweet. Also on these GTOs, make sure you always look at all this trim back here. You can see all this chrome's looking sweet. You can see the chrome on the bumpers looking sweet. Even that emblem there is looking beautiful. We're gonna open up the trunk and take a look in there. You always want to check out these lips on the GTOs. Look all the way around that deck lid. You can see this one's all been cleaned up, painted nicely. Always look under the floor mat. You can see all that looks good and solid under there. Always look at the wheel well, the back sides of the quarters. Look at the finishes here, like in the gutter area around the trunk opening. You can see all those finishes are looking sweet. You can see that the rubber's been replaced. The finish on the bottom side of the deck lid's looking great. And as you look down the passenger side, it's looking just as beautiful as the driver's side. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment. That means we own this car. We did our homework before we bought it. Then the first thing that happens to every car when it hits our spot here is we get them up on the lift, check them out on the bottom, inspect them. That way we can answer all your questions when you give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. Now, if you want to check out all the pictures of this car, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You can check out our whole inventory there, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can send you a notification every time we post a new video. You got to hit that little bell button also. All right, let's take this beautiful GTO for a ride. Tell you what, this is one gorgeous car right here. Driving smooth, sounding amazing. Love the exhaust on it. It's got just enough of a note to know you're driving a muscle car, but it's not super loud. You're gonna piss off the neighbors. Of course, I'm kind of the piss off the neighbors type. I'd put a big old muffler on this sucker. It makes all kinds of noise. Now we can ship this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain to you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. We can also help you out with financing. Tom will hook you up with a banker, or you can do it right online at VanguardMotorsales.com. And don't forget, we're close to the airport. If you need to fly in and check this baby out yourself, we would love to have you. We do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen on the net, but we invite everyone to come visit. We love to have our customers come on in. If you want to send an inspector, no problem with that either. As you can see down here on the dash, everything's looking sweet down here. Speedo's working. Looks like gas gauge working. We got our heater controls. It does have the stock AM radio in it. So if you're somebody who likes to listen to the radio when you're in your hot rod, you can get all kinds of different radios these days. They look like old radios that you can have all your telephone hooked up to and everything like everybody does today. I don't do any of that stuff. I like listening to that accelerator and those tailpipes. So we're about to do something that nobody does to all their inventory. At Vanguard, all of our inventory goes up on the lift and we check out the bottom sides and we show them to you. We want to make sure you can see exactly what you're getting, and we are proud to show you the bottom side of any of our cars. Now we're coming up on the shop right now. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Oh, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the little bell button so we can send you a notification every time we get a new car in. All right, we're underneath the GTO now. As you can see, we got a brand new tank in here, brand new exhaust. Trunk floor's looking good. The drop downs are looking good. 10-bolt Pontiac rear end here with the 355 gear, and it is Posi. You can see the brand new brake lines. Looks like those shocks are brand new also. Now on the brakes, the guys pull the brakes apart, make sure they're all installed correctly. We got a big sway bar on here. We got the extra braces here that they put in all these high horsepower cars. Everything under here is looking nice and clean. Stock appearing mufflers, and look at these floorboards. Look at the paintwork on these floorboards. They look beautiful. Looks like we got a refinished and or brand new fuel line here and brake line. Got a Muncie 4-speed trans. It's got the stock clutch linkage. Everything under here is nice and clean. The lower control arms are nice and clean. Looks like new shocks, new bushings in the sway bar. Drum brakes up front, and they definitely come apart, get all checked out just like the rears. Sway bar up front here, core support looks good. Chrome on the back side of the bumper, or at least the finish on the back side of the bumper, is just as nice as the finish on the front. Well, I shouldn't say that. It's nice and clean on the back side, and of course the chrome on the front looks great. We've got great looking tires. These are definitely brand new. I still see the nubs on them. 255/65 15s on some brand new Cragars. That's what you gotta have on your muscle car right there. I always get up in here, feel around, make sure the back sides aren't patched, and all I feel is metal back there. Make sure you feel the back side of the rocker. All I feel is nice smooth metal there. Always look at the bottom of the rocker and look at that pinch weld. There's also a pinch weld up here in the wheel well on most cars. Take a look at that one also. Out back here, we've got 255/60 15s on some brand new Cragars. The wheel lip moldings look good. Make sure you feel that wheel lip there also. Just be careful of them sharp screws. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 389 motor. It's got looks like a brand new Edelbrock intake on it. It is a dual plane intake. It does have a 750 Holley sitting on top. It's dual feed. It is not a double pumper. Everything is nice and clean under here. Even the exhaust manifolds have been refinished. The frame's nicely painted. The upper control arms, I see brand new shims. Looks like it's got a fresh alignment on it. Firewall's nice and clean. The fiberglass on the bottom side of the hood's nice and clean. The paint work on the bottom side of the hood's all chassis black, looking good. The nose up here is all chassis black, looking good. It does have power brakes and it does have power steering. This is one amazing ride here, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.